There are so many things I get from traveling. One, as a filmmaker, I get to see many characters. Two, as an actor, I get to see experiences of life. And as a human being, I get to learn lessons from every travel, every ride I go. Hello, people. My name is Rakshit Pawar. I'm the riding poet. I'm a filmmaker and actor by profession, but I love traveling. Come along and join with me to experience the same thing what I experience. I love to share experiences. So if you do want to hear my stories, subscribe the channel and stay tuned to Riding Poet.